Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to disable email notifications for events on Facebook Web right from your PC. If you're tired of constant event reminders cluttering your inbox, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the tools you need to manage how Facebook interacts with you. Next, click Settings. This will open a new page full of options on the left-hand side. Now, look for the Notifications tab. Click on it to see a list of all the different types of notifications Facebook can send you. This includes birthdays, comments, tags, and of course, events. Under the Events section, you'll notice several ways Facebook can notify you, such as push notifications, SMS, and email. Since we're focusing on email, find the email option and switch it off. Once you do that, Facebook will stop sending you event updates in your inbox, and that's all it takes. In less than a minute, you've turned off those extra email alerts and taken one step closer to a cleaner, more peaceful inbox. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same section and turn email notifications back on at any time. Taking a moment to fine-tune your Facebook notification settings can make a big difference in keeping your digital life organized. So if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more videos that help you customize your online experience and keep things simple. Thanks for watching.